When we compare, GitHub Copilot is like a smart assistant for writing code.
Okay.
It is more like similar to how autocorrect suggests. We type an email or even in WhatsApp, we have the autocorrect suggestion that comes specifically for words, and at times once we complete a statement, it even gives a refined statement version. So similarly, GitHub Copilot will act as a text editor for the developer fraternity.
Okay.
So for example, you start typing a code. When you write a code in a tool like Visual Studio Code, which is basically the programmer's text editor, so Copilot will actually watch what you do. Right?
Okay.
So that it will understand what is that you are typing on the code. Then aligning to that, it will predict. Okay, so for example, we all may have learned in our schooling the basic computer programming that students learn will be print hello world. That is the typical thing that students normally learn in the school time. So when we basically type the base syntax specifically print, for example, we start with print, then I open the bracket, double quotes, hello, there is a remaining element to complete. So Copilot will understand this and it will fill the rest for you.
Okay,
so it is more like a Grammarly or a sentence correction that gives, and it will write the entire code element connecting to that logic. Then you can either accept or reject. For example, let's say it actually filled the code base and you, as per your logic, it is not aligning, so you can reject. So the Copilot will actually understand that. So in the next cycle, it will learn from your choices. So further to that, you can again pick. Then when you write the another line, it will again pick and understand, okay, what is that you're looking for. So when we compare, let's say, a developer's effort, they may have to write, let's say, 30 lines of code or 50 lines of code if it takes, let's say, an hour. So this auto suggestion and filling actually helps the developers to finish the entire coding quickly and then focus more on correcting and relooking whether it is a refined code or not.
Oh, that will make their job much easier.
True. So that's how easier it is going to be when these tools are embedded along with the respective code lines. And this doesn't mean developers has to totally take off their hand. They still have to review it. But think of it more like a helpful coworker who actually helps you with something in the listed way, in a smart way, but you still can validate and reaffirm that your logic is aligning to the listed ones. So it saves a lot of time and effort and errors also.
Now it becomes very clear when we say that AI agents will be our co-workers in the near future.